Okay. Let's look at the modern roof design. Let's draw a simple structure here, around 800 millimeters this way. Then from there, you draw around 400 this way. Then from there, just a simple structure for learning purposes. Around 300 millimeters. Let's say it this way. And from there, let's move this way. Around 300 millimeters. This way. For you to make sure they're in line, this is how you do. Wait for that circle. And you move this way. Click. Then from here, this is what you do. Wait for that circle. And then for you to make sure they are in line, this is what you do. Yeah, you wait for that circle. And then you draw it this way. So they are in line. Then from here, this is what you do. You click. Then let's move. Wait for that circle. Then click close. This is our structure. Roughly how it looks. 3D. This is how it looks in 3D. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, these are wrong. There is no partition inside, so we'll have to go back to the ground floor and insert some tools. So we'll start with the window tool. The door tool instead. Door tool. Let's wait for a door tool here. Door tool is loading here. Yeah. Let's pick this one. This is going to be my door. And then you click OK. Then you place it here. You click outside. Open the door. And then let's put the window tool. Window tool. We'll use this one. For instance, we'll pick this one. Double slash is nice for structure. Open outside. Place the window here. The window here. Another window here. Another window there. Another window there. And then the last window here. Now we undo this one and we place two windows here, and here. This one is better. Let's check our 3D kindly. Yeah, we got 3D. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, we got 3D. This one is better. Okay. And then from there, we'll have to go the dimension tool, which is the wall. So we go back to the ground floor. We'll have to insert our wall here. We zoom out. Then you wait for that circle again. Then you click. You move there. Then you click. And then this point, out. Wait for that circle to click. And then you wait for that circle to click. Cycle. Click. Cycle. Click. Cycle. Click. This way. And then you close. This is now this is our 3D. This is how our structure looks. This is now our structure. our design, our symbol design here, but we'll have to adjust some settings to make it better. So we'll start with our wall. So you click on the wall too, but first we'll have to select everything by controlling A, Control A, and then Control T for you to carry out the settings of the wall. Then we'll have to edit. We will start with structure, basic, composite, complex profile here, and then we'll have to adjust our thickness to be 150, and then from there you click this reference line to be center, and then we go to the model. We'll have to adjust the color also. The color we'll have to use color for wall. So let's take this one to be our wall color. This one here. Brick Flemish bond. Then we click this one. Select all.
Yo.
Hey.
Kailan no?
Morning.
Yan na rabe.
Ben. Okay. Let's continue solving the interruptions. But our wall now okay. You click outside there, and then we'll have also to go back to the roof. You click on the roof. Then we'll have to control everything. Control A, then Control T for us to carry out the settings of the roof. Click here. We did that one to 150, and then here this one is 22.5 for our roof set to look better. And then here we set the vertical angle. For the roof edges, and then with the model we'll click everything and change on the color of our roof. Okay, instance, let's use tiles mosaic for our roof. Then we select everything and we click on OK. Then you click outside. Let's now see our 3D. How it looks. Escape. And then here. And then let's see how it looks. But now we'll have to make some adjustment because we want our roofing to look better. So we'll have to select on the roof, and then let's go back to the ground floor. We're still on the roof. So we go to the document. At the document, you click on the line tool, and then you zoom this way, and then you wait for the circle there, and then you draw a straight line. Make sure it's 0 degrees, and then you click on there, you adjust again, and then we control all the line, and then we drag left line, control D, control all the line, control D. That's the dragging tool. Then you make our line there, and then we'll have to split. The roof because the roof back there. On the roof, okay, control all. And we'll have to split single plane roof. We split anyway. And then we'll have to control all of the roof. Then we go to edit. From edit, you go to cropping. Then you uncrop. Then you click outside. Then you control all, that's the roof. And then you come there, and then you click, and then you take this one out where our line was, this way. And then this one also, you do the same, this way. And then the last point, you take this point to this point. Let's click on our 3D to see how our structure looks like. Yeah, so this is our structure looks. Okay, yeah, but you see we are still having a hole at the top, meaning we'll have to extend the wall itself, and then we trim for us to get a better look for our roof. But first, we'll have to do the same the remaining part of the structure in our drawing. So let's go back to the ground floor and then control all, that's the roof. And from there, click there, and then you will take this one. This one where no first. Let's go back. Click outside. Let's go back to the document. Document. You take the line tool there. Zero. You click. Make sure it's 0 degrees. And from there, you take this line this way. And then control all and control drag. So we'll have to drag this line this way. First, we'll have to remove all the lines first. Let's delete all the lines. Then we'll go back to the line tool, and then go back to this point. Draw your line this way. Make sure it's 0 degrees. Wait. No, I count this point. Click outside. Escape. Click on escape. You come this way. Click there. Extend your line this way. Make sure it's 0 degrees. And then Control A. Let's control a line. Then Control D. Control D, or you drag here. And then this way. Yeah. So then we go back to the roof design, and then design, and then the roof tool, and then we control A. Control A, we select all the roof, and then we stand there. Let's take this point where our line was, and then this point also to where our line was, and then the remaining point we take to this point. Yeah. So let's go back to our 3D to see how our structure looks. Yeah. So it is a structure. You can zoom to see how it looks. So we have openings at the top. So we'll have to make some changes on this structure. It's 3D. So let's go back to the arrow tool. Click on the arrow tool. Then you click on the wall you want to make some adjustment. And then you right click. No. You right click on the wall selection. Right click. Then go to the geometry and positioning. You click this way. And then we'll have to extend this height to be around 1500 millimeters. Let's put 1500 millimeters, and then you click OK. Let's look. Yeah, this is our wall looks like after we have made that extension. So we call to this point, trim elements to the roof or structure. You click on that tool, come this way. But first, for your wall to be
Hey, Batu.
Gila Batu.
He's good.
Okay, so we click on the we click on the wall this way. You select the arrow tool, click on the wall, and then let's go back to the roof tool. You select all the roof, and then let's go back to the trimming tool. Click, and then you trim. This is how it looks after. Let's go back to arrow 2. You click on the wall, and then we right click, check on your settings. So we'll have to make some changes on the height of the wall. For instance, let's take this 1500 to be our wall and see how it looks in our 3D. So we'll have to select the roof tool also. Select all, the roof, and then we go back to the trimming tool. Oh, excited! And we click outside. We click outside. This is now our drawing after correcting everything. Yeah, this is how it looks. And this is the end now. Thank you for watching our video here. Make sure you subscribe and enjoy your day, enjoy your evening. Thank you. Okay.